These are the top 5 best-selling drugstore products for 2025. Let's run through the list and tell me if you agree or disagree. First on the list, we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow. e.l.f. has definitely landed themselves in some hot water recently, if you guys have not seen that, but I'm really not surprised that this is on the list. This is a little bit dark for me, but hopefully this will blend in with my tan. It's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one. Because my skin is a little bit more oily, I don't really reach for products like this often. I mean, it does look really beautiful on the skin. Next, we have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It has been years since I've used this foundation. It is really beautiful, and I get why it's really popular, especially if you're like me and you have oily skin. It's a really good affordable foundation. It actually looks really good on top of Halo Glow. Next, this is the Milani Baked Blush. This is shade Luminoso. I actually ordered it for this video because I have not tried it before. Let's see. Okay, wow, it's very pigmented, but there is a lot of fallout from this. The shade is absolutely stunning. So we have the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I do love this mascara, but it's not the one that I reach for the most out of all the drugstore. I really do love how thin the wand is. It does really lengthen your lashes. Last product, we have the NYX Fat Oil Drip, and honestly, this is one of my favorite drugstore lip products. This is my favorite shade from the line. This is Chillin' Like a Villain. 1000% agree with this. Guys, here is the final look. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the way the makeup turned out. Tell me your guys' thoughts. Do you agree with this list? What products should be on the list?